Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to see that how to remove the transfer data limit from your newly bought pen drive. So let's begin.
Step 1.
Insert your pen drive.
Step 2.
Now let's go to this PC. Here you can see this one is my pen drive. So I'm clicking right on it and format, then file system. Here I can see that by default it is FAT32. I have to just change that. So I will change it into NTFS and then start formatting and click OK. After formatting the drive, we can easily transfer any amount of data into our pen drive. That's all. But there is a caution that when you are formatting a drive, all of your preloaded data will be erased from your pen drive. That's all guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if any of your friends are facing the same problem, then send this video to them. This will obviously helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.